Do you want to help after taking it? I'm going to do the same. I want one. It's a smart flower. Put it in your mouth. Oh my god, they're so they're like, yeah, you know? That's in the circle. So when I get it out of the leaf, you have to like get the stone out and then you put it in your mouth. Then you suck all the juice out of it. It actually tastes good. It was like sweet. It was sweet. Asher. No. No quieres reservar.
Bueno, muchas gracias.
Vas a ver que hay que reservar para entrar aquí.
Hay que reservar para entrar.
Il biscotto.